quick summary.
Breakout session 1, which was what could we do? Key opportunities. We realised there was a key opportunity for sharing and collaboration at an FE sector level. There was a key opportunity for us to demonstrate the relevance of FE to business. And there was a key opportunity, given the amount of IT investment there has been in FE colleges, to use the infrastructure, both hardware, the wider area, local area network investment as a foundation for which to build on with businesses and demonstrate to businesses. Barriers, there was a barrier identified in that there's a balance of the FE curriculum from 14 plus right through and the core 16 to 19 age group versus FE means business and especially a barrier in relation to the staffing of delivery and how to cover staff when they are delivering to business. Another big barrier, there'll be no shocks, that there is funding and the cuts. Who will pay in the future to deliver the skills to businesses that we've discussed today? And relating to that is that we need to realise that to businesses, time is money. They need to see a very quick return on investment, and they need to see the justified investment when they are letting their staff out or when they are bringing us in even to discuss with them for half an hour or an hour. That's time when they could be doing other things. Another barrier identified was age and the possible age of people both managing and involved in SMEs. May well be from an age group, or a percentage of them from an age group, who weren't brought up with IT and will struggle either to see the relevance of IT or struggle to adopt IT. Organisational challenges. There's a need for strategic regional and national thinking if we're to compete strategically at a regional, national or even global level. There's an organisational challenge in relation to funding and at the same time opportunities for JISC funding in relation to delivery of economic engagement, and an organisational challenge to be able to respond in a rapid fashion. Breakout session 2 then was the should do session, and first of all new opportunities in working with business. We recognised there was an opportunity to use IELT from a college perspective to lead by example, with not taking for granted what we do and do on a daily basis, and we do well, but to lead by example and go to businesses and show them what we do. There's an opportunity to use IELT, ICT to research what businesses actually need and try and carry out research again locally, regionally, and use that research then to tailor what we deliver. And an opportunity there to again show some relevance to what we're delivering, but also to ensure we pitch it at an appropriate level using IELT to pitch, because we've got a very short window of opportunity with these people and to make it relevant. The second question really was about what are the skills needs of the future FE staff, and we took some time to discuss this, but it became apparent as well from Bro's talk earlier that the skills that he mentioned there were none of them technical skills, and so we reflected on the fact that a lot of the skills he mentioned were non-technical, and so lecturers as people managers in classroom, as group facilitators, as organisers, etc., would have a lot of the generic skills that were there, the problem solvers, etc., and that perhaps IT technical skills didn't need to be top of the list going forward, but perhaps more an appreciation of IELT and IT and how it could be used with the more fundamental skills underneath. Future FE staff, a big one was the ability to change and being able to adapt to change, especially in a speedy fashion. And also the skill of listening, being able to listen to businesses and engage with businesses and see what businesses need. What could JISC do to help? We heard quite a few examples in our group of best practice that was going around, it was happening UK-wide. Perhaps JISC could share that best practice at events like this and share that best practice with managers and in colleges. What else could JISC do to help? JISC could present the funding opportunities that are out there to people who are managing business engagement activities in the colleges. through forum, through JISC mail, etc. And also, if JISC are out and about within colleges and businesses, we felt that JISC could share contacts between businesses and FE so that multiple people weren't knocking the same doors. Okay.